Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create route table within a VPC in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in VPC dashboard. Here if I click on route tables, then click on create route table. In the name, give any meaningful name. After providing name, choose a VPC. For example, I am choosing my -VPC and then click on create route table. As you can see, our route table is created successfully. If you want to allow the internet traffic for this VPC, scroll down. Here in routes you can see only this is our local route. To add internet gateway, click on edit routes, then click on add route. Here choose 0.0.0.0/0, then choose internet gateway, then click on save changes. As you can see, our route table is updated successfully. If I scroll down to routes, here you can see our internet gateway is added and its status is active. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.